Say you were 3 arms of government. Now they are supposed to be independent there. And yet then about Kutiminya to me no to back. Since 1992, their presidents think now almost a mistake upon mistake upon mistake. Who checks them? And then here Rajomama buy or say Toko no Chief Justice. Well, pay with my dear be. It's waiting me amobi and where Bama Oma establish on my two. Now one or two presidents, no. As somewhere the coin 3. Yet the back who pay me back when the cry a day in ye. Yet see me I catch Chief Justice go and sit at home. Makacho said it's not about economic minimum. It's about the processes and the things that we have in Ghana, which is going to destroy Ghana finally. Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I'll be able to check a CMO. It's been a long time since I did what we call me again and also again and that year. Before I'm there by me, strange, I'm also my woman. Program when I me here, say Ghana, our democracy is under attack. It's under serious attack. Ya hear baby, our democracy, the could know. Mentia say. Obian him say, you're practicing democracy. Yeah, then a break between the UK and the US on. 80 year 3 arms of government. You got the 3 arms of government. We have the legislature, which is the Parliament of Ghana, the executive, which is the president, and then a power for, and I have the judiciary. And ya sorry, ya say, Mammy for who ni toku no, John Mahama a yinedi. Na ena me kano, and yes, Sabi, toku no asam na mabeka. And yes, say you protected the institutions in Ghana for them to work like they are supposed to work. Now, the make a chobibi. Yawa Chief Justice. Answer it to me, Chief Justice. Now, I say what they petition. I say obey the petition back near the Comma Council of State. No more so no more decide, no more establish what we call prima facie case against the Chief Justice. It means I saw much say I didn't know more can no crabby woman. Now, only a real committee, near whom somewhere by so Chief Justice cries as Sabi yam friendly pope, Yakabi be a good so. Finally, ya did report in the command way, and 3 cases near the choir, 1 case panel, Yara Mama said, enough is enough, Chief Justice go and sit at home. And then Chief Justice some make about me besides him. Say you were 3 arms of government. Now they are supposed to be independent there. And yet then about Kutiminya to me no to back. I said, Bisa. Ya buy your law more to say over to your friend say parliamentarian no, and Janyama way so. Sabi say parliament, Nino, yan can't just one quarter speaker, you know what my quarter speaker, you bet me too. No, but two, so bet to my own kilobia, no question baby at Sunny, I do for a yen to me and to know. I'm. Sir, Ebia make assembly a big parliament with you, and also bet me to as an MP. Now make canon. Ebi so now party na kasano, one say chale yen juni be bet me too. And now say, over cross carpet from one party to another. Aye. Where a process say bet me the parliament. It means the parliament institution no, what to me so we or power. Trust me. Now, when you come to the executive, I want to ask them the one. Me pacho, since 1992, your presidents think now almost a mistake upon mistake upon mistake. Me pacho, who checks them? And then here Rajomama buy or say Toko no Chief Justice. Well, pay with you my dear be. It's waiting me amobi and where Bama Oma establish on my two. Now one or two presidents, you know. What's in the American say? Because if the Chief Justice as somewhere the coin 3, yet the back who pay me back when the cry ye didn't ye. Yet see me I catch the Chief Justice go and sit at home. Makacho said it's not about economic minimum. It didn't grant a minimum. It's about the processes and the things that we have in Ghana, which is going to destroy Ghana finally. Because of frontiers here. We have a system in Ghana that is stupidity at its highest. 3 arms. Back to me, you two no. Bakuna or no, or holiday, or no, appoint your winner. Oh, Rebecca and so, Parliament, yeah, 2 aba. Pacho, Constitution is said the president of Ghana only 50% of his ministers from the parliament, which is supposed to be at what? An oversight to what? The presidency. And the parliament, they are supposed to check the president, they become what? Poodles to the presidency. Because Oba, one year, that is the facts. My control. And Ghana, the three arms, the only arm as Sabi, as independent is the presidency, the executive, judiciary, CJ. Your friend said, Judicial Council and commit me a CJ, so that I may be devoid of the executive power. Yanya the say, Yansan of firm. And now, nearby establishing against the Chief Justice, Massa, Massa, there is no case. I'm telling you. But you're yet to say the executive, no, you can't say. Sure, we should be careful. One day, oyo betina sa akunya ne so na ne obeye Ghana for no ye bebo yesem. Say ye fi ye jimiemu ne amane ehu say constitution na wo hon enye constitution papa. We need to change and reformulate it. Ne ye the way na ba bebu dia ye benya obi a wo ya bodan for ba betina ho a laws obeye no ye yem be hye. Now say no me say any CDB okesa or say the presidency now, and I'm not talking about John Mahama and then I'm talking about the presidency, the first gentleman of the land from 92. I say powers of presidency ni otimi yan say obebo oba ne bema. That's it. But why do we run a country based on say yebema nipa baku too much power? And you were starting here, meaning the outcome. I said Ghanaian film, you're starting from beginning, what would the end? Because meaning sad you way, say obey nephew. Why do we do this to ourselves? And we are all quiet. We don't know that there's a siege on our democracy. Judiciary now, an uphold of the law, the executive can remove you. That is a fact. Judiciary na sabe and na yet way say BBC media mini obi akama na meko ho no e ho de kurapo no has been tainted by executive power, by politics. Na nya insam ye ka until the president should appoint chief justice, the one who upholds the law, which is an arm of government which is supposed to be an independent way. What is wrong with us? Are we mentally sick? We are mentally sick. Because if we are not mentally sick, sadly, since 92, I've been saying, it is a bad constitution that needs to be reviewed and changed. Matumia, Obia Sabe, there will be checks and balances. Who checks the president? I'm asking you. Over and over again. Yeah, who's the president? They make mistakes, but they are still in power. Till eventually, the 8 years was 4 years in their baby. Nobody can raise a hand. Why do we run a country like that? Meanwhile, obit me the new Kuma Krabocha, yes, say a what? Double standard near to me, UFI, or out. He's supposed to be independent. Are we sick in the head? We are sick in the head. And the sooner we wake up, the better. Because Ochina Jimmy for me, sorry. Now when you see the same thing that we are enjoying now and use it against us, then we will know the true colors. The constitution is bogus constitution. It doesn't make sense. If there are three arms and they are independent, let us see the independence of it. Why should the president take members of parliament as his word? In Ghana, for baby, can't we get people from other places to be ministers? Do we always have to go to the politicians? There's something wrong with us. Why should the president have the privilege of choosing the CJ, the electoral commission, and then we claim that they are independent? And now NPP, opposition, they are fighting against all state institutions. Where they will embrace them. Are we mad? This is madness. Can't we do something? Masa, the sooner we wake up, the better it will be for all of us. And then I took no. Kofono mani ageno or chinam said ne Chief Justice Yemra Jomama ever appointed no or when so or less than 4 years because the next government of Eban Obesano. Why do we run ourselves like that? Why do we run things like that? It's people like Dan Paré, political vindication. We removed them from office. Brought somebody who can do it. We don't know if the person can do the job. Dan Paré, by his age and the actions, he was the best IGP I have ever seen in Ghana. But because of politics, politics, where is Dan Paré today? Look at the things that are happening in Ghana. Say a new political Ghana will never go on. Many a Ghanaian. Also a Ghanaian join me. Now you're voicing out. It is time to change the stupid constitution that was done by John Rawlings for a reason. Because that time, no, the dictates of the time, no, and the change one years down the line, 30-something years. Are we mad? Can't we change the constitution? Are we sitting now aloof and looking at things we are here? Say people will die first. God be with us. I expose yourself. I'm here. We need to balance our